guys, welcome back to my channel. It's RXing. So today what I'll be showing you is how to configure LinkLayer VPN. So let's go. As you can see right here, we have our LinkLayer VPN. We have to click. Then we go to settings, which we have done here. Yeah, go to settings. From there we have to click this button, this arrow here. So what you'll be looking for, look for this here, this UDP Request protocol. That's what you'll be looking for. So what you need to do is you choose that one, then you go to config protocol. Yes, configure protocol. That's where you go to. You click on it, then as you can see right here, copy every information as you see. Copy everything as you see there. After that, you click on save config. So you hit save config. As you can see right here, I'm connected to a Wi-Fi without internet. This is an Airtel 4G smart box, but the SIM card inside this Airtel 4G smart box is blue, which is Camtel. For those in Cameroon, you will understand. You just try this with your own country. I'm sure it's going to work. So as you can see, there's no data. As you can see, there's no data. It has no internet, as you can see there. So what you need to do is you choose your server. You choose your server from here. You hit this. So let's go with USA 1. From there we hit the disconnect button. As you can see right there, we are connected. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe for more.